These kids grew up in a place prone to gangs, and they take toy guns and go to doors and harass people.
Like the yellow fish. Hold on. I take this fish. Mix the dormant with the dormant. Open the door, okay?
Be careful when you open the door. If you are not sure who you are, do not open the door. This crazy chase felt like it was in a game. How does the car escape from the cops? It felt like his own house, but suddenly he took out the crowbar from his bag and opened the door. It didn't even take 2 seconds to open it. What kind of a tornado or hurricane, whatever it is called, is huge and blows up your house? What should we do if unexpected robbery from young girls happens to young people too?
Never mind, bullshit.
You steal the packages in a hurry and shamelessly turn around and pick up the package you dropped. Did you need it? I'm overstealing the cargo. They also cause accidents and endanger people's lives. Fortunately, nothing happened. This cat is so fearless that the coyote will prepare to attack, but the cat does not step back. The traffic monsters are speeding so much that they can't take the curve and crash into the car, but they continue without stopping. Even though the owner of the vehicle went out and waited in the middle of the road, the gangsters continued to pass at the same speed. What will you do if you run over the woman? While taking nature photographs, he encountered our little friend, but they were both afraid of each other. At least his mother is not there right now. A woman who uses prohibited substances is wandering around with a tool in her hand. How beautiful is her high? He almost ran over the woman, and when she saw that it was the person who hit her car, she started to follow him. If you are so afraid, why are you stealing? If you are filled with fear, what you are doing is not right.
Yo, put it back. Better put it back right now. Put it back.
After the man in white does a few things to the car, it starts and they steal the car. The brakes of her car must have burst because she was going so fast that she entered the garage where the house was, and they took 3 people away in an ambulance. They start the car last and run away, and all of this didn't even last 2 minutes. Here, a young man who is interested in driving crashes into a house when he cannot control the car and runs away from his house in fear. This flood destroyed the houses. I was going to say there was no one outside, but you can't stay inside the house either. I can't say anything about the ignorant young man, but whoever gave him a gun, if these bullets hit anyone later... Why are these children running away because they have a naughty brother? The boy is very dangerous. Three thieves who broke into a business are wanted. The police came to his door and were investigating things going on in the neighborhood. This man goes to the house of the man he had an argument with and shows off with a gun. He is talking on the phone, but at the same time he shows his gun to the doorbell camera. A new method of threatening.